Hey guys, this is Rome at Rome Knows Tech. Today we're going to take a look at these wireless 2K live streaming cameras that were sent out to me for review. As you guys can see, I have a pack of 2 of them here. So what are these cameras used for? Well, they're going to be used for live streaming, for recording, a number of different things. Now you have a 2K camera, quality camera here, live streaming through the app. So there is an app that you can install with this, or you could use this directly with your Mac or PC. And of course, these have their own internal batteries. That's excellent. These will stream and record up to 60 frames a second. So let's take a look at what comes in the box. All right, guys, so once you remove the little sleeve, all you're going to do is just pull this box up like so. I like this part. There it goes. Boom, just like that. All right, so inside of the box, as you guys can see, it's packed really nicely. We also get this user manual. We're going to call it this is a full user manual. Now this is going to come in multiple languages, and this is version 1 of their user manual. We also get a quick start card, and this is going to be for the app. Here's your QR code you're going to need to scan with your phone to download the app from your whether it's iOS or for Android. Just scan this little code right here. You're going to be good to go. What do we have here? So here's some warranty information. You're just going to fill out this card and then provide them with information so that if for some reason you do have some problems with your device in the future, they'll be able to take care of it for you. All right, what else do we have in the box? So also in the box is going to be this cable. Now this looks to be a USB-A to USB-C cable, but we won't know until we completely get it out. So as you guys can see here, a really nice cable. Now, like I said, this is USB-A to USB-C. I like the fact that it comes with this wrap, but you also have the ability to do this. So if you have a device like me with the MacBooks, the modern MacBooks, and you're using USB-C, you're covered, okay? So you could either use USB-A or USB-C, and then USB-C to connect to the camera itself. I know, I'm getting to it, guys. Let's take a look at the camera itself. So that's everything that's in the box. All right, so here is our camera. So first impressions, this thing feels really nice in the hand. It has some very nice weight to it. It doesn't feel hollow. There's no give to it as I squeeze it. This is your 2K lens. This is going to be your indicator light right here on the front. You have an array of microphones along the top right here. On either side, there's nothing. It's just branding on one side. You got this nice little rubber pad underneath here with a 1/4 so if you want to mount this onto a tripod, that's going to be easy. On the back here, we have our USB for connecting. We have our power button. We have our SD card. So yes, you can record directly into these cameras. You have your 3.5 right here. So if you did want to plug a wireless microphone or a wired microphone into this, you have a reset button. And you also have your power indicator right here on the top. So let's see if we have any power. So if I press and hold, you guys can see we have what looks to be 4. I think we're at 4. Yeah. So I think technically the camera is on, but I don't currently have it connected to anything, but you guys do see the indicator light is on right here. So the next step for this would be to connect this to your smartphone. Now that's going to be something that I'm going to do in an upcoming video. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing to show you guys what this camera looks like. So look forward to those next videos, guys. I will do the next video I'm going to do is probably going to be an installation using this with the phone and walking you through the smartphone app. But I wanted you guys to just see the camera first. So this is going to be one of the compact portable cameras that I'll be using for some of my live streaming. And we'll be testing this with a number of different devices. We'll test this with OBS. We're going to test this with YouTube. We'll test it with Twitch. We're going to test it with Facebook. Possibly Instagram. We'll see how that works out. I'm not sure if this is going to work the way I expect it to with Instagram. But I'm also going to be testing this with the YOLObox Mini, YOLObox Pro, and maybe even the NearStream if I can get it to connect that way. We'll see how that goes. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I just want to do a quick unboxing video to introduce you guys to this amazing little compact wireless camera. So if you are looking for a camera, for your upcoming streams, gaming, content creation, recording, remember you can record into this camera and you can record into your device. So if you record, you can record directly into your phone using one of these cameras. Now I have currently 2 of these here in the studio, so you guys already know I'm going to be doing some multi-camera stuff with these. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, peace. I am out.